HTTP connector return token for data. Here you can see a return token for data. Step 1, request the second user data using access token. Step 2, here the redirect user data request. Step 3, the client app gets the user data from the GIT Hub authentication server. And 4, the client app listen for next request. Here the GIT Hub user is connected to Mule client via request user data, and listen and request are in Mule client. Here the Mule client is connected to GIT auth server via redirect user data request pass token. User data is in GIT Hub auth server. Here the GIT Hub auth server is connected to Mule client via return user data, and Mule client is connected to GIT Hub user via listen for next request. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.